Today we shall start product of matrices. Product So, product of two matrices, let A and B are two matrices. Then A into B is possible only when number of columns of A is equals to number of rows of B. Means column of first matrix should equal to rows of second matrix. For example, let A is equals to Aij M cross N and B is equals to Bjk of N cross P, suppose be two matrices. So number of columns of matrix A is N and number of rows of matrix B is also N. So first write here, since number of columns of A is equals to number of rows of B. So A into B is possible. Means A into B exists or A into B is possible. But number of rows, number of columns of B is not equals to number of rows of A. Number of columns of B is P and number of rows of A is M. So B into A is not possible. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So AB is possible means A into B exists. BA is not possible, so B into A does not exist. So we can easily say that A into B is not equals to B into A. Which law does not follow here?
Sir, commutative law.
Commutative law. Therefore, multiplication or product of matrices is not commutative. Product of matrices is not commutative. Or product of matrices does not follow commutative law. Now I think it is clear. Now see how we multiply. See, let A is equals to consider a matrix A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. This is matrix A, and B is equals to X1, Y1, Z1, X2, Y2, Z2, and X3, Y3, Z3. So matrix A is of order 3 rows and 3 columns. So this is a matrix of order 3 cross 3. Similarly, B is a matrix is also of order 3:3. So by this example, A is possible because number of columns of A is equal to number of rows of B. So AB is possible. Also, BA is possible. Both are a square matrix of same order. So now write AB first. AB. AB means A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. And B is X1, Y1, Z1, X2, Y2, Z2, X3, Y3, Z3. First write down the value of A1, A and B. Multiply them. Take row, multiply through row of first matrix and column of second matrix. Write this one. A1 into X1 plus B1 into X2 plus C1 into X3. First row, first column. I am going to write here. First row, first column. A1 X1 plus B1 X2 plus C1 X3. Similarly, first row and second column. A1 Y1 plus B1 Y2 plus C1 Y3. Now, first row and third column. A1 Z1 plus B1 Z2 plus C1 Z3. So first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. Now come for second row. In the same way, second row, first column. So A2 X1 plus B2 X2 plus C2 X3. Then second row, second column. A2 Y1 plus B2 Y2 plus C2 Y3. Then second row, third column here. A2 Z1 plus A2 Z2 plus, sorry, B2 Z2. B2 Z2 plus C2 Z3. Now come for third row, first column. A3 X1 plus B3 X2 plus C3 X3. Third row with second column. A3 Y1 plus B Y2 plus C3 Y3. And finally, third row with third column. A3 Z1 plus B3 Z2 plus C3 Z3. So this is product of two matrices. I have taken two different terms, complete different, for generalization of product. Is it clear how we take product of two matrices?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, start some problems. Write down question. If A is equals to, a very simple question, 2 minus 1, 3, 4, 1, 5, and B is equals to minus 1, 3, 2, 1. Find AB and BA whichever exists. Whichever exists. It means जो एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है उसको कैलकुलेट करो. So first mention, this is matrix of 3 rows and 2 columns.
AB exit.
2 rows and 2 columns. You write number of columns of A is equal to number of rows of B. So A into B exists. And what is order of A into B? Equal parts remain eliminated. So your order of matrix AB will be 3 into 2. Also, number of columns of B is not equal to number of rows of A. Number of rows of A. So B into A does not exist. So you have only to calculate A into B. A into B means, first write down 2 minus 1, 3, 4, 1, 5. And B is minus 1, 2, sorry, 3, 2, 1. So multiply first row, first column. Means 2 into -1 plus -1 into 2. First row, second column. 2 into 3 plus -1 into 1. Now, second row to first column, 3 into -1 plus 4 into 2. Second row, second column, 3 into 3 plus 4 into 1. Now, third row to first column, 1 into -1 plus 5 into 2, and third row, second column, 1 into 3 plus 5 into 1. So just calculate this value. 2 into -1, -2, -2, that should be -4. 3 into 2, 6, -1, 5, -3 plus 8, that is 5, 9 plus 4 into 1, 4, 9 plus 4, 13, -1 plus 10, 10 minus 1, 9, and 3 plus 5, 8. This is product of two matrices A and B, and you have already seen B into A does not exist. Now it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
But you have to be very careful while solving the product. Now, write down next question. If 2x4 into x minus 8 is equal to 0, then find x. What is the order of this matrix? First matrix? Who will
1
say?
cross 1.
Yes, yes.
1 cross 1.
One row and 2 columns.
Sir, plus minus.
One row and 2 columns.
Sir, 1 cross 2.
Right. And the order of second matrix is 2 rows and 1 column, 2 cross 1.
सर x का वैल्यू 4 आएगा.
Sir, plus minus 4.
Plus minus 4. So multiply. Since already multiplication is given, so no need to write AB exists or does not exist. It is already given. So multiply them. 2x square. First row, first column, order is of course 1 into 1. So 2x square plus 4 into -8, that is -32 is equal to 0. It means x square is equal to 16. And so x should be plus minus 4. This is your answer. Right? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No. Similarly, in case of 3 matrices, A into B into C, you have to multiply 3 matrices. So first multiply first two, then multiply with C, or multiply last two, then multiply with first, but order must be checked. Right. Now I'm going to give you a problem. Write down. Give an example of two matrices. Give an example of two matrices such that their product is zero. Product is zero, although matrices are not zero. Means if A and B are two matrices such that A is not equals to 0, B not equals to 0, but A into B is equals to 0, or B into A is equal to 0.
एक मिनट सर.
See here, let A is equals to 1, 1, 1, 1, and B is equals to 1, minus 1, minus 1, 1. Obviously, A and B are non-zero. So calculate A into B. Both matrices are of being same order. So AB exists, BA is also exists. So multiply first row with first column. 1 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1. First row, second column. 1 into minus 1 plus 1 into 1. Now second row, first column. 1 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1. And second row with second column, 1 into minus 1 plus 1 into 1. 1 minus 1, that is 0, minus 1 plus 1, that is 0. Similarly, 1 minus 1, 0, minus 1 plus 1, 0. So this is the example. Similarly, you can calculate B into A, that should be also a zero matrix.
यहाँ इक्वल हो गया सर.
See the example. Now write down a question. Come on to some standard question. Write down. If A is equals to 3 minus 5, first row, and second row is minus 4, 2. Then find the value of A square minus 5A plus 14I. I is the unit matrix What is unit matrix?
Magnitude 1.
Not magnitude 1. Unit matrix means whose diagonal elements is 1 and non-diagonal element is 0. So find the value of this one. Find each term first. First calculate A square. A square means A into A. That is 3 minus 5 minus 4, 2 into 3 minus 5 minus 4, 2. Multiply first row with first column, 9 plus 20. I am going to write directly 9 plus 20. Now first row, second column, minus 15 minus 10. Minus 15 minus 10 is minus 25. Just a minute. 9 plus 20, that is 29. 29 minus 25. Now second row, first column, minus
20.
minus 8 minus 20.
Either
And
24, sir.
second row, second column, that is 20 plus 8.
4.
That should be 24. This is value of A square. So now A square minus 5A plus 14I should be written as value of A square 29 minus 25 minus 20 plus 24. This is value of A square minus 5A. Means each element of A is multiplied with 5. So multiply. So 5, 3, 15. 5 into minus 5, that is minus 25. 5 into minus 4, minus 20. And 5 into 2, 10. So A square minus 5A plus 14I. I is 1, 0, 0, 1. Each element is multiplied with 14. The result will be 14, 0, 0, 14.
आ गया.
So now write down the value of each element. क्या value आया?
28, 0, 0, 14.
थोड़ा सा एक चेंज करके देखो तो माइनस 14i करके देखो तो यह टर्म निगेटिव हो जाएगा. तो 29 minus 15 minus 14.
0 हो जाएगा.
0 हो जाएगा सर.
minus 25 plus 25. 0 minus 0, that is 0. Minus 20 plus 20, that is 0. And 24 minus 10. 14 minus 14, 0. Each matrix is 0. So this should be written as 0. Hence, a square minus 5a minus 14i is equal to 0. This is your very important question. Right. Now solve one more question. Write down. If a is equals to first row 1 0 minus 1 7, then find k so that a square is equal to 8a plus k into I. 8a plus k into I. So calculate a square. A square means 1 0 minus 1 7 into 1 0 minus 1 7. First row to first column, that is 1. First row second column, that will be 0. Second row to first column, so minus 1 minus 7. Minus 1 minus 7 is minus 8. Second row, second column, that is 0 plus 49. This is value of a square. So given a square, a square is equal to 8a plus, not k square, it is ki. 8a plus ki. So 1 0 minus 8 49, that is a square is equals to 8a. Each element of a is multiplied with 8. So 8 0 minus 8 56. And ki, take I according to this order. 1 1 0 0. Diagonal elements is 1. Multiplied with k becomes k 0 0 k. Add corresponding terms. 8 plus k 0 minus 8 56 plus k.
आ गया सर आंसर।
कितना आया?
-7.
-7. Compare these two matrices. 8 plus k should equal to 1, or 56 plus k is equal to 49. Compare any of them. So on comparing, 8 plus k is equal to 1. Therefore, k is equal to minus 7.
-7.
-7. This is your result.